In this video, you'll learn how to create a sign-up form on Mailchimp. By the end of this tutorial, you will have a fully functional embedded form ready to collect subscriber information. First, open your web browser and navigate to Mailchimp's Other Forms page. You can do this by entering the URL for Other Forms directly into the address bar. Once the page loads, ensure that you are on the correct screen where you can see various form options. Next, locate and click on the button that says Create. This button is typically found towards the top of the page. After clicking it, you will be directed to a new screen with different form types available for selection. Once this appears, look for the option labeled Sign Up Form. Clicking on this will lead you to the next step where you can choose how you want to set up your form. Ensure you are on the Sign Up Form selection screen before proceeding. After that, select Embedded Form from the options presented. This choice allows you to create a form that can be embedded directly into your website. Confirm that you are on the embedded form page before moving forward. Now, click on the button labeled Begin. This action will take you to the form editor where you can customize your form. Wait a moment for the editor to load completely before making any changes. Next, click on Form Fields to access the settings for the fields that will be included in your sign-up form. This is where you can modify what information you wish to collect from subscribers. Once you are in the Form Fields section, click on First Name. This allows you to edit the settings for the first name field. Make sure the field is highlighted to confirm your selection. Then click on Last Name to add another field for last names. Again, ensure that the field is selected, indicating that you can adjust its properties. After adding the last name field, click on Address to include an address field in your form. Confirm that you are on the correct field to customize its settings. Next, click on the back button if you wish to return to the previous menu. Make sure to wait for the page to refresh and display the previous options. Now, click on Settings to configure additional preferences for your form. This section will provide various options for managing how the form operates. After adjusting your settings, click on Back again to return to the main form editing area. Be patient as the page loads to show the updated options. Next, click on Tags to categorize your signups effectively. This feature can help you organize your subscribers based on their interests or other criteria. Once you've finished setting up tags, click on Continue to proceed with the final steps of form creation. Wait for the confirmation of your actions before moving on. Finally, you will see a message stating your form is ready. This indicates that your embedded sign-up form has been successfully created. Ensure that you review all settings before implementation. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.